Another habit you can have, another skill you can have is whenever you need to divide an odd number of units by 2, you can always multiply both sides by the ratio of the ratio by 2, because odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. So what you're doing is actually you're cutting them into smaller units so that you can transfer over. Okay, let's look at some example. Ben has 4 times as many stamps as Amy. So Ben is to Amy 4 is to 1. After giving Amy 240 stamps, Ben has the same number of stamps as Amy. So here, I could have written the after ratio, but I want to show you how to cut the ratio into smaller pieces. So 4 transfer 1 unit over, it will be 3 unit is 2 unit. That's not equal. And then if you transfer another unit over, it will become 2 is 3. That's not equal as well. Okay, that's because the total of 5 units, okay, Ben's 4 unit plus Andy's 1 unit is 5 unit, cannot be divided by 2, so that they share equally. So what you do is you just multiply both sides by 2. Now that you have 8 is to 2, you can now transfer 3 units over so that they end up being 5 is to 5. And that's what they said, they have the same number. 5 is to 5 is same, right? So now, that means that 3 unit that is transferred over is equals to 240 stamps. 1 unit must be equals to 240 divided by 3, that will give you 80. Okay, how many stamps does Ben have at first? Ben has 4 units at first. So 80 times 4, that will give you 320. Okay, so the key to answering this ratio is you can actually times 2 on both sides so that you can transfer 3 units over. Okay.